Okay, so let's begin with the makeup first because it is the most exciting part, isn't it? Okay, so first things first, I bought this Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. Okay, this is how it looks like, and to be honest, I was super excited for this product. And I got the shade 2 medium. I really like the packaging of the product, like they've kept the product really secured, and this is how the product looks like. Super luxurious and beautiful. Okay, wow, like the product is absolutely gorgeous. This is how the powder looks like. I think it is a bit light for my tone, but let's see. And it comes with a huge mirror, as you can see. Looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna swatch the products and everything in separate short videos, so stay tuned for that. Okay, before I forget, all of these products are going to be on great deals during the Nykaa Pinkfluence sale. So I'm gonna be putting all the offers and details onto the screen for you guys, so you can check out these products during the Nykaa Pinkfluence sale, which is going to be live from the 23rd of August till the 29th of August. So yeah. Next up, I bought the DIAM Beauty Love Potion Lip Oil. I was seeing this all over Instagram, all over social media, and I thought I need to give it a try because I am obsessed with lip oils. So I got this one, and it's in the shade Rose. It is supposed to be high shine, nourishing, hydrating, and weightless. Okay, the color looks so pretty and packaging is really nice, as you can see. I love the packaging. Okay, the applicator is similar to the Dior one, and this smells really good. It has like a sweet chocolatey smell. I'm gonna swatch this one here for you so you have an idea. Okay, looks nice. I'm gonna also swatch this on my lips on a shorts video, so stay tuned for that. Talking about the price of the product, it is priced at 849 rupees, and it has a shelf life of 3 years, which I think is amazing. Although it's a bit on the pricier side, I think that for a lip oil, the price range is really good, because if you're looking for a dupe of the Rare Beauty lip oil or the Dior lip glosses, then I think this one is really good for that. But let's see. I'm going to be testing this out on my lips and then tell you more about it. Next up, it's a restock, and this is the Nykaa Matte-illicious lip crayon. If you follow me for a while, you already know how obsessed I am with this lip crayon. This comes with a sharpener and the lip crayon itself, and this is my favorite shade. This is Next Level Nude, and it's a beautiful formula. You can see it's extremely creamy and beautiful. I love this shade, and I just needed a restock, so I ordered this one. Next up, I ordered this lip liner from Faces Canada, and this is their Ultime Pro Lip Definer in the shade Nude Brown 08. I really like their lip liners because they are retractable and you don't need to sharpen them up, and they're quite precise and nice. As you can see, the shade is extremely nice. It is suitable to go with pinks and nude lipsticks, and it is very creamy. I really like this one, and you don't need to sharpen this up because it's retractable, and that's the best part. And I believe it's quite affordable for the price and a must try. Next up, I have another restock, and this is the Plum Goodness Nature Studio Kajal. This is waterproof and super pigmented and extremely black. That's something I really like about this product. Moreover, it is a vegan and cruelty free. I also have a discount code for Plum Goodness. I'm going to leave it under the screen, and the link to all the products shown in this video will be down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. This is how black the kajal looks like, and let me just swatch this for you. You can see that it is extremely creamy and pigmented and really black. That's something I really like about it. It is very easy to work with on the eyes as well, and a must try if you're looking for a good quality kajal. Next up, we have two blushes. If you know me, you know me well. You know that I'm obsessed with blushes, and I got two more blushes. The first one is this one from K Beauty. This is their Creme blush enriched with cranberry and avocado oil, and this is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. This is the packaging of the product, and it is priced at 849 rupees, which is a bit on the expensive side, but I really wanted to try this out because I'm obsessed with cream and creme blushes. To be honest, the packaging is not very user-friendly. It's a bit not so easy to use, but it's fine. This is how
Okay. This
is how it looks like. Okay. I really like this shade. It's a beautiful pink shade and I think it blends very easily and feels quite lightweight. I'm going to do a makeup look soon using this blush, so stay tuned for that. But so far it looks very creamy and easy to blend. Next up we have the PIXI On The Glow blush, and this product is viral all over social media and I really want to give it a try and see if it's worth the hype. And I got the shade Fleur, which is a pink shade. I love pink blushes, so I decided to go for the pink one. Okay, packaging is hands down the best. Okay, just look at the packaging. It looks so amazing and really cute. This is their tinted moisture stick, and let's just open this up. Okay, it comes protected. Okay, let me just take the cap out. Okay, and the color, it looks so pretty. So you just have to keep on twisting this, and this is how the blush comes out, which is very easy to use and compact. Like you can just swipe it and you're good to go. So let me just swatch this for you guys if I have space. Okay, this is the shade and oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Has no smell whatsoever, but look at that pigment. It looks so good. I had to like swipe this 2 to 3 times to get this much of pigment. So yeah, the blush is extremely creamy and moisturizing and blends really well, and I think it's going to give you that super natural pinky flush look if you apply it on the face. And you can also use this one on the lips, so I'm going to surely make a separate shorts video, swatching and using this product and giving it a review, so stay tuned for that. And although it's on the expensive side, I think it's totally worth it because I'm impressed with the quality just with one swatch, and I cannot wait to use it on the face and give you more reviews on it. Now moving to skincare, I have a few products, and the first thing I'm going to show you is this by L'Oreal. This is the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid. This is their replumping serum, and this is their eye serum. So I love this range and I can swear by this product. I've not tried the eye serum, but it's my first time using it, but I've been using the hyaluronic acid for years now. This must be my, I don't know, 10th or 11th restock, and I absolutely swear by this product. It makes your skin feel so plump and rejuvenated, I cannot tell you. Okay, so I bought this one, and this is their smallest bottle. This is their 15 ml bottle because I really wanted something that I can carry whenever I'm traveling, and I really needed a small container to carry with myself. And this is how the serum looks like. It is quite lightweight and liquidy, as you can see, and works really well for all skin types. I must say it is amazing. You just need to try it by yourself. So this particular serum, the 15 ml one, retails for $529, which is not very affordable. Like you get more affordable hyaluronic serums out there in the market, but I think this one is quite efficient and I don't mind paying this much. If you buy the 30 ml one, it is more affordable than the small one, so you can check out the 30 ml one as well. And talking about the eye serum, I was really captivated because of the applicator. Let me show you how this looks from inside. It is very similar to the serum packaging, and the applicator is something that really caught my attention. Okay, this is how it looks like and feels quite hydrating and cooling at the same time. I suppose because of the metallic balls that are, a bit cooling. They feel cooling on the skin, and the eye serum feels much lightweight than the hyaluronic serum, which is obvious because your eye areas need something more lightweight to get absorbed easily, I suppose. And yeah, this has 2.5% hyaluron plus caffeine, which are great ingredients for your eye area. Next up, it's a restock, like a crazy restock. I got 5 of these underarm roll-ons, and this is their Chemist at Play Odor Control Underarm Roll-On with 5% AHA, and this is the Aqua fragrance. And I mean, I love this roll-on. I mean, I cannot tell you how much I love. I've been using this for a year now, and I've not, switched to any other underarm roll-on after using this one. It is the best. I mean, it controls body odor to the next level. You don't feel like sweaty, and you don't smell like that sweaty smell, and it gets rid of the darkness in your underarms. And I've seen a noticeable difference when I've used this one. So I would recommend you guys to, try out this roll-on for yourself. You will feel it on your own. So after, I guess, 2 to 3 weeks of using this, I could notice a difference that was noticeable in the color and texture of my underarms. So that's why I've been like using this roll-on like crazy since then. Now, talking about the price of this one, this retails for $3.99, but you always get it on discount on Nykaa, so definitely worth checking it out. Next up, I got this Dot & Key's Cica Calming Back and Body Skin Clarifying Spray with 2% Salicylic Acid. This is for my sister. She really likes this particular product for her back acne. So if you're suffering from back acne, then you could definitely give it a try. I personally have not tried this one, so I cannot like express my views on it. But since my sister really likes this one, I think it works for her. So that's why she uses it. And this is with green tea and tea tree. Unclogs pores, fights acne bacteria, and has no added fragrance, and it is alcohol free as well. So this is practically how it looks like. I've used the toner and moisturizer from the same range, and they are really good products. Quite affordable and effective as well. This comes with a spray packaging, so you can spray it onto your skin. And this is how it works. The spray is nice too and has no smell whatsoever. Like, it has a hint of a minty smell, but nothing more than that. Next up, I got this Nykaa Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt Shower Gel. I was looking for another shower gel. I wanted to change something and try something new, so I bought this one from Nykaa. I don't know how it smells or how it works. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's see how this works. I really like Nykaa's shower gels. I've used the lavender one previously and the rose one, and I really liked it, so I just wanted to try another variant, so I went for this one. And this in particular retails for $3.99, but again, you always get it on discount on Nykaa, so definitely worth checking it out. Okay, next I restocked on my most favorite moisturizer for the summers, and this is the Pond's Super Light Gel, and this has hyaluronic and vitamin E. It is non-sticky and gives you a hydrated and plump glow on your skin. Definitely one of the best affordable moisturizers out there. It is suitable for normal to oily skin and works amazingly. Like, it doesn't clog your pores, it doesn't leave your skin sticky, but it gives that hydration, and I absolutely swear by it. Like, you can see I've got like 4 of it, and I am already using one. I have 3 more in stock, so you can imagine how much I love this one. We have another restock, and this is the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Sunscreen. This is their hybrid sunscreen that reduces blemishes and brightens skin. This has an SPF of 50 PA+++ and is 100% vegan. I've used this sunscreen for ages and I cannot stop using it. And this is so because the sunscreen is really good. I really like their packaging because it has a pump packaging and it is super easy to use. And I love the texture. It doesn't leave any white cast. It is quite affordable and easy to carry as well. You can travel with this, put it on your purse, and you're good to go. If I talk about the price, this is retail at $3.99, but again, it's always on discount, so you get it even cheaper. And this is a 50 grams tub, so it lasts you for, I guess, a month or so, so you're good to go. Lastly, I've ordered the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for dry to very dry skin. It is fragrance-free and without any perfume. It moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier of the face and body, and is infused with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. I actually ordered this one for my mother because she has very dry skin and she wanted a good moisturizer. So I'm gonna just swatch this for you so you can see the texture of the product. This is how it looks like. Feels quite thick and moisturizing, but it doesn't feel sticky, which is something I really like about it. So this is how it looks like. Has no perfume whatsoever. It is quite moisturizing but doesn't feel that much thick and doesn't leave any white cast, which is something I really like, because there are creams that leave sort of whitish thingy on your face or body, which is something I don't like. But this one in particular is really good and it is quickly absorbing as well. So hands down, one of the good moisturizers. And this tub I think is retailed at 1500 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this retails for 1500 and this is a 340 grams tub. But you also get smaller sizes if you want to really give it a try first before ordering the entire tub. So yeah. And this is it for today's Nykaa haul video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. All the links to the products shown in this video will be down in the description box below for you guys. And if you have any further questions or queries, or you need any recommendations, leave them in the comments down below. I will surely get back to you. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to our channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day or night ahead. Bye.